We're back with another macro tutorial in Microsoft Excel. In this video we're going to outline how you can have a prompt box or a message box appear when you go to run the macros that you've been creating. Okay, so this is quite useful if you want to provide a brief message to someone who may not be familiar with your spreadsheet about exactly what the macro does just before it's going to run. Okay, now this isn't a situation where you can decide whether it runs or not with a yes or no. It literally is just a small message that pops up just before the macro runs. So I'm just going to explain how this works. So we'll show you it working first of all. Our macro in this example, it simply inserts a new row. It doesn't do anything else, but just before it does that, it also gives a small prompt and basically tells the user what that's going to do. So when we press our button, you'll see we get a message box. This macro will insert a new row. When I press OK, you can see that that action happens. Okay, so how do we do this? So we'll just go into the code. So we click Developer, Design Mode to open up the code we have here. Okay, so we're interested in this part here. This is our code that basically puts that message box there. So you have message box space open brackets and then comma, and then if you type anything in here, this is essentially the message that's going to appear. Now when you put this in your own code, you want it to be at the top because you want this to appear before the actual macro runs. That's if you want it to be appearing at the start. If you wanted it to appear after the actions have happened, like macro run successful, something like that, you'd put that at the bottom. Okay, so let's try that. Macro run successfully. We've changed our message. Just gonna copy and paste that. Okay, so this is just changing that around. Let's see if this works now. Okay, macro run successfully. So I hope that's been helpful. Quite useful when you put these in your own macros. So I will make this downloadable on the website. I'll put the codes that we've used in the bottom of the comments here. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments on YouTube. Hope it's been helpful, and check out the website as well. See you next time.